A pleasant surprise is an ideal surprise. But how can you know what sort of surprise life is preparing for you tomorrow? You are buying posh homes, luxury cars and earning good money. The world is juggling with our us, and we are juggling with events that concern us. But what if it all is taken away from us, for whatever reason? Do you feel safe about the days to come? You can keep and also increase your savings by investing into gold. Gold is a reliable shield against any risks. You can make use of gold anytime you need. Gold is not affected by fire, by destruction or by corrosion, and its price is always good. Feel safety and stability wherever you are at any given moment. Your loved ones will appreciate your care. Online store M Goldex. Sets of investment gold bars.